doing something that I heard this morning. Everyone said, oh, isn't that wonderful? Germany has now agreed to rebuild their military. And they've decided that they're going to go all out and they're going to now rebuild their military. Be careful what you wish for.
Why is that?
Well, take a look over the last two world wars. Take a look over the last two world wars with Germany. There is a theory out there that Germany should not be rebuilding their military so much. Just be careful what you wish for.